Alright guys, 7:55. We're going live here and run this for Mr. Michelangelo Nix. He has the Robin Yount Season C holder picture. 7:55. 7:55. We will grab the list. We have 14 spots. Winner takes the photo. 14 entries, 2 dice. What man? 2 dice, 5 or higher. 4, that's not high enough. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 9's good. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times. Dice is a 9. Next, click top spot. And 9. Congrats, Jerry Savolko. Spot number 14. You are the winner. 7:56. We will type done. We are done. 7:56. 7:56. Timestamp verification.